Hello everyone, this is your Lekkala Mastaru Haragopal. In the previous video, we discussed a very nice and interesting geometry problem, and at the end of this video, I have given a question, something like if you take a star symbol like this, which is having 5 vertices, what is the sum of all the 5 angles, something like angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E is how much? Very interesting and simple problem, but the extensions of this problem is quite interesting, and even this problem also you can understand the solution with the help of two basic concepts of geometry: angle sum property of triangle as well as exterior angle property of triangle. With the help of these two concepts only we can understand the solution of this particular problem. And if you modify a little thing in this particular problem, it is going to be a very challenging problem. So first of all, let me explain the question here and the solution as well as, so just to have a look. So 5 vertices are having in this particular figure, so we call as A, B, C, D, E. Whatever the angles were there, we are supposed to find out the sum of all the 5 angles, not individual angles. Here what I am doing, so whatever the vertex you can see A here, let me assume this particular triangle and let me take it as this point as P and this point as Q. So clearly you can see a small triangle APQ here. So if you observe carefully from point P or vertex P, you can see two different triangles as P and Q are separate vertices of the two triangles. Have a look at that triangles here. PCE, one triangle, QBD, one triangle. So clearly let me talk about the PCE triangle only. PCE triangle, if you observe carefully, now this CP is extended to the vertex A. Clearly you can see this angle as an exterior angle of this particular triangle PCE. So then definitely this angle is going to be the sum of these two angles. What are the two angles? Angle C and angle E. Clearly you can mention this exterior angle or the interior angle of this particular triangle as angle C plus angle E. Similarly in the triangle QBD also, clearly you can see this side is extended up to point A. Then definitely this is going to be exterior angle, and this is going to be equal with the sum of angle B plus angle D. Clearly you can mention here. So simply you can see a small triangle here in which one angle is angle A, another angle is C plus E, and another angle is B plus D. So as we know, sum of all interior angles equal to 180 degrees. Sum of all these angles is going to be 180 degrees. On the whole, we can conclude in this particular figure, sum of all the 5 angles is going to be 180 degrees. So simple problem to understand, and even the solution also you can enjoy like anything with the help of two basic concepts of geometry. But how we are going to change this one to extend the level of this problem is quite interesting. Just have a look. Whatever the vertices you can see, just if I cut something like this and I am going to get a figure with the 10 vertices, what will be the sum of all the 10 angles here? Quite interesting. You just give a trial. If possible, in the next video I am going to discuss the solution of this particular figure. So my dear children, hope you enjoyed this small problem. So in the next video we'll meet with another problem. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Your Lekkala Mastaru Haragopal.